What a day in the market, eh, guys? What a strange thing that just keeps happening, right? We've got all this wild, fluctuating swings, and we've got like stocks going up, stocks going down, and I almost said it could be a dead cat bounce, and well, it kind of looks like it now, doesn't it? We had a lot of people doing that sell-off that caused a lot of panic for the Trump tariff kind of thing, and the stock market went past the 200-day moving average, and then we popped up, and for like 3 days we had just a big growth, and then it fell off the face of the earth, and it just did it again. We had a nice big sell-off today on the close on Friday, and it's really interesting that this is happening because I mean, even if Trump didn't say anything, we still might have ended up with a little bit of a sell-off today and still slump because people are going to be profit taking. People are going to be, I think, getting a little bit tired of the market. All this fluctuation just wears out people as far as investors, and especially people who are investing incorrectly. And that's a topic that I wanted to talk to you guys about, is why I didn't buy today and why I didn't buy yesterday as well, because when you do any kind of investing, you want to buy low and sell high, and when the market is rising is typically not a day that you want to invest. Sure, you can maybe latch on to the coattails as the market runs up, especially when it's in a strong bear or bull market, but when it's looking closer and closer to a bear market, why would you invest on a day that's going up? Let the big banks invest on those up days. Let them throw all the money all out all over the place. Let them bring up the stocks. But for the average, casual investor, the average person who's not going to have, 50 million to drop into some kind of like hedge fund or, some kind of index or something that you're really interested in, I just think it's silly. Why would anyone invest on a day like yesterday? It's funny. And today is, maybe a buying opportunity if you're feeling a little risky. But honestly, I don't know where this market is going, and that's why we keep cash on hand, because if this turns into a really heavy bear market, say the stock market takes a crash, the tariffs actually get pushed through, and then we can see a little bit of a bloodbath in the market, and who knows what's going to happen there. If that does happen, that's why you keep the cash on hand, and this could be the warning signal for you guys so that you can keep cash so you can start doing investments when everybody else is running out of the market. I'm doing just fine. My portfolio is just trucking along, not really gaining a whole lot, not really losing a whole lot either. So it's just kind of just doing this like seesaw back and forth. We'll see how it ends up paying out towards the end of the year, because I'm going to keep investing, and now that I know that I could have dividends and there's assets and things that could get me money while I'm working, then I'll probably be always an investor. So with that being said, I wanted to talk to you guys about how the market is going and what kind of direction, what's going on. If it doesn't go through, if the trade agreements come to, a standstill and everybody, works along and we all get hunky-dory, then the stock market will rise. But if it doesn't, then we'll have a bit of a bloodbath. Either way, these are warning signs for you to be prepared for when something like that happens. You had that cash sitting on the side that we talked about earlier that you could use to invest. I'm not saying that you should invest, because all investing does is have opportunity to lose money, but you also have an opportunity to gain money as well. So I think that's an interesting topic at hand. I think people should start investing at a young age, especially millennials. A lot of them have not realized what kind of dangers or traps that's been set by them or by companies, and they have literally just got a noose tightening around their neck, and unless they break free and start in figuring out ways to get passive income, or developing really good jobs or multiple income streams, then they're going to be financially in trouble here in the next 30, 50 years out. And I just wanted to talk to you guys about that. It's a really interesting thing that's going on. So Thank you for watching. Like if you like my video, dislike if you dislike the video, and if you really like the video, please subscribe, guys. It really helps out my channel. And I didn't touch the market today. I think we still got a little bit of a downturn. We'll see how that pans out, and if it continues on to this choppy mess, then I don't care, because that's why I'm just being patient. A lot of people need to be patient when they're investing. So, thank you very much.